activity is called Shape-A-Roo. And we're going to be working on our rolling the ball on the ground. So some things you're going to need: some ball, any size you want to use. For our little ones, we use the smaller size, so it's easier for them to grip. You're going to want poly spots that are the rainbow set colors, and my shape cards that are on my website. All right, they're under the phys ed, free phys ed files. Okay, and so an option, I just have all mine in one basket, but your other option is to match these. If you have the rainbow set color buckets, you can match these to the bucket. So you can put purple and purple, green and green, red and red. You get the idea. I don't have any of those, so right now they're all just in one basket. So in this one, they're going to pick a ball, or you assign ball, color, whatever. This doesn't matter. The color ball doesn't matter in this game. They're going to have a partner. One person is going to roll the ball from the sideline of the gym, while their partner is standing on the dot. So let's say I'm rolling and my partner is standing on that green dot right there. Okay? They can be anywhere along the lines when they're rolling the ball. So if my partner's there, I'm going to do my roll. My partner has to stay on the green dot, reach and scoop up the ball. Okay? I was able to stay on my dot and scoop up the ball. If I can do that, I'm going to get a color shape of what I was standing on. So I'm on green, I'm going to go get a green shape, and then my partner and I are going to switch. So now it's my partner's turn to roll the ball to me. Let's say I'm standing on this purple dot, and my partner rolls the ball to me, and I have to step off to get the ball. Unfortunately, I can't get a shape because I had to leave the dot. So now my partner and I switch again. So after every turn, we're going to switch. All right, and we just keep going. A variation of this is what you just saw if the students are playing on their own. They're going to roll the ball, run out, and stand on a dot and scoop it up. So that way, too, they can track where the ball's going, and they can see, oh, it's going towards this orange one. I can go to the orange one, and then now I can get an orange shape. You have many different ways with this one to find a winner or score. You can have them count so many the colors. You know, you can pick a blue, green, red, count those cards, see how many you have. You can pick the shape, see how many stars or squares or circles that you have, or any kind of combo like that. So that's one way that you can find one. Multiple ways, I guess I just gave you, right? So I hope your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.